Welcome to the world of extreme ultraviolet lithography, or EUV. This revolutionary technology is at the heart of today's most advanced processors, powering everything from smartphones to supercomputers. EUV lithography has transformed the way microchips are made, allowing for smaller, faster, and more efficient devices. In this video, we'll explore how EUV works, why it's so important, and how it's shaping the future of computing. Let's dive into the science and innovation behind the chips that drive our digital lives. Lithography is a process used in semiconductor manufacturing to create intricate patterns on silicon wafers. These patterns form the circuits that make up microchips. Traditionally, lithography used visible or deep ultraviolet light, but as chip features shrank, these methods hit their limits. EUV lithography uses much shorter wavelengths, enabling the creation of incredibly tiny features. This breakthrough is essential for keeping up with Moore's law, which predicts the doubling of transistors on a chip every 2 years. As our devices become more powerful and compact, the demand for smaller, more densely packed transistors grows. Smaller features mean faster processing speeds, lower power consumption, and more capabilities packed into tiny chips. EUV lithography enables manufacturers to etch these minuscule features onto silicon, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electronics. This is why EUV is so crucial for the next generation of processor. EUV lithography uses light with a wavelength of just 13.5 nanometers, much shorter than previous technologies. This extreme ultraviolet light is generated using powerful lasers and mirrors, which focus the beam onto a silicon wafer. The process requires highly specialized equipment and precise control, as even the tiniest error can affect chip performance. EUV's ability to create ultrafine patterns is what makes today's most advanced processors possible. Creating EUV light is no simple task. It starts with a high-powered laser hitting a tiny droplet of tin, vaporizing it and producing plasma. This plasma emits EUV light, which is then collected and directed onto the wafer. The entire process happens in a vacuum, as EUV light is easily absorbed by air. This complex setup is a marvel of engineering, enabling the production of chips with features measured in nanometers. EUV lithography relies on precision mirrors rather than lenses, since EUV light cannot pass through glass. These mirrors are coated with special materials and must be perfectly smooth to reflect the light accurately. Any imperfection can distort the patterns on the chip. The engineering behind these mirrors is critical to the success of EUV lithography, ensuring that every circuit is etched with incredible accuracy. Because EUV light is absorbed by air, the entire lithography process takes place in vacuum chambers. These chambers maintain a controlled environment, preventing contamination and ensuring the EUV light reaches the wafer without loss. Maintaining such conditions is a technical challenge, but it's essential for producing chips with the smallest possible features. Silicon wafer is coated with a special photoresist material that reacts to EUV light. When exposed, the photoresist changes its properties, allowing selective removal of material to create the desired patterns. Developing photoresists that work with EUV wavelengths is a major area of research, as they must be sensitive enough to capture the finest details. Once the photoresist is exposed to EUV light, the wafer undergoes a series of chemical processes. These steps remove the exposed or unexposed areas depending on the type of photoresist used. The result is a precise pattern etched onto the wafer, forming the basis of the chip's circuitry. This patterning process is repeated multiple times to build up complex layers. Modern processors are made up of dozens of layers, each patterned using EUV lithography. These layers stack together to form intricate circuits, allowing chips to perform complex tasks. The ability to create multiple layers with such precision is what enables the incredible performance of today's processors. EUV lithography is a key driver of Moore's law, which states that the number of transistors on a chip doubles every 2 years. By enabling smaller features, EUV allows manufacturers to pack more transistors into the same space, boosting performance and efficiency. Without EUV, the progress predicted by Moore's law would slow down dramatically. Despite its advantages, EUV lithography comes with significant challenges. The equipment is extremely expensive and complex, requiring precise engineering and maintenance. Developing suitable photoresist materials and maintaining vacuum conditions are ongoing hurdles. However, the benefits of EUV in producing cutting-edge processors make these challenges worthwhile. EUV lithography machines are among the most advanced pieces of equipment in the world. Built by companies like ASML, these machines use lasers, mirrors, and vacuum chambers to produce chips with features as small as a few nanometers. The complexity and precision of these machines are a testament to human ingenuity and engineering. EUV lithography has a global impact, enabling the production of processors used in devices worldwide. From smartphones to servers, EUV-made chips power the digital economy. The technology is essential for maintaining competitiveness in the semiconductor industry and driving innovation across sectors. Modern smartphones rely on processors made with EUV lithography. These chips are smaller, faster, and more energy efficient, allowing for longer battery life and enhanced performance. EUV enables features like advanced cameras, AI processing, and seamless connectivity, making smartphones smarter than ever. Supercomputers, used for scientific research and simulations, depend on EUV-made processors for their immense power. These chips handle massive amounts of data and perform complex calculations at incredible speeds. EUV lithography is crucial for pushing the limits of computational science. Artificial intelligence and machine learning applications require powerful processors with high transistor density. EUV lithography enables the creation of chips that can handle complex algorithms and large datasets, driving advancements in AI across industries. This technology is at the core of smarter, more capable machines. EUV lithography allows for chips that use less power, making devices more energy efficient. This is vital for mobile devices and data centers where reducing energy consumption is a priority. Smaller features mean less heat and longer battery life, contributing to greener technology. Future of EUV lithography looks promising, with ongoing research aiming to push feature sizes even smaller. As demand for more powerful and efficient chips grows, EUV will continue to play a central role in semiconductor manufacturing. Innovations in materials and machine design will further enhance its capabilities. Researchers are already looking beyond EUV to even shorter wavelengths such as X-ray lithography. While EUV is currently the most advanced technology in production, the quest for smaller, faster chips drives continuous innovation. The semiconductor industry is always evolving, seeking new ways to push boundaries. The semiconductor industry is a global powerhouse with EUV lithography at its core. Companies invest billions in research and development to stay ahead. EUV enables the production of chips that power everything from cars to medical devices, making it a cornerstone of modern technology. EUV lithography drives economic growth by enabling new products and services. The technology supports industries like telecommunications, healthcare, and automotive, creating jobs and fostering innovation. Its role in the global economy is significant, shaping the way we live and work. While EUV enables greener technology through energy-efficient chips, its manufacturing process is resource-intensive. Companies are working to reduce waste and improve sustainability in chip production. Balancing performance and environmental impact is a key focus for the industry. EUV lithography is not just for commercial products, it's also used in scientific research. Researchers use EUV-made chips in experiments, simulations, and data analysis, advancing knowledge in fields like physics, chemistry, and biology. The technology supports innovation across disciplines. From laptops to gaming consoles, consumer electronics benefit from EUV lithography. Chips made with EUV are faster and more reliable, enabling smoother user experiences and new features. The technology is behind the devices we use every day. Modern cars rely on processors made with EUV lithography for advanced features like autonomous driving, infotainment, and safety systems. These chips handle real-time data and complex algorithms, making vehicles smarter and safer. Healthcare devices, from diagnostic tools to wearable monitors, depend on EUV-made chips for accuracy and reliability. These processors enable real-time data analysis, supporting better patient outcomes and innovative medical solutions. Data centers, which store and process vast amounts of information, rely on EUV lithography for efficient, high-performance chips. These processors reduce energy consumption and enable faster data processing, supporting cloud computing and online services. EUV lithography enables processors with advanced security features, protecting data and privacy. These chips support encryption, secure boot, and other safeguards, making devices more resilient against cyber threats. Extreme ultraviolet lithography is a game-changer in semiconductor manufacturing, enabling the creation of cutting-edge processors that power our digital world. From smartphones to supercomputers, EUV technology drives innovation, performance, and efficiency. As research continues and new challenges are overcome, EUV will remain at the forefront of electronics, shaping the future of technology for years to come.